Hey there, friends. We're in the adventure van today. And one of the things about being in one of these converted Sprinter vans is it gives you the accessibility of the state and the country to go and adventure and really enjoy the resources that we have. But it's super important to have the right gear with us at all times. And that's why we wanted to show you this piece of gear that we just added to our adventure van. This is a tactical seat backing for your car or your van. You can see it has all these awesome, cool little pouches here. We're gonna show you what it is and why we like it. So first we're gonna take out our long base layer. Now this is what's gonna go up against our seat. At the upper portion, we have these little clips that go around the headrest. And then we have obviously all sorts of clip holders. We even have a large Velcro pocket that goes down here right in the center that will allow extra storage down inside of here. Then obviously you can see all of the clip areas down on the rest of the base, as well as the clip that's going to be going around our seat at the bottom. Okay, so we're mounting ours on the back of the driver's seat here. As you can see, the straps are located up on top around the headrest. Again, there's an adjustable strap to make that tighter. It's then going to lay flush against the back of that seat, and these straps at the bottom wrap around the base and actually shove down into the seat area so they don't hit your back while you are driving. As you can see, that lays nice and flush. Okay, next we're going to be mounting our largest pouch. And the nice thing about this little guy is it actually comes with this extension strap, so you can use this as an individual carrying pack just on its own, just by unclipping it from the main base unit and then using this as your belt clip. It can also clip onto other belt systems you may have. Again, this is a really nice little portable guy that you can take in and out of the van. Now to mount this, we're simply going to unbuckle the back little clips here, and these are going to slide down into the slots that we choose. Okay, as you can see, that's clipped on there really nicely at the bottom of this base, and actually only needed 2 of those straps. Again, everything's nice and clipped in. If you need to pull and go, all you do is reach back here, unsnap those hooks, and then this will slide right out for you. Okay, next let's take a look at our med bag. You can see that it's just a nice little square pouch. Again, it has those little clips on the back for us to select an area for it. This one has this nice little patch though that can be removed if you would like to place something else on there. But again, nice to have, just so you know, in a quick pinch you can grab this. There's medical supplies in here. Again, a couple of clips and some other various pouches and pockets. Okay, so there's our med bag. We hung it up just like we did the lower pouch. You can see the straps go around the little slots that you select. What's cool about the med bag is if you unclip this front piece, you can see that there's an actual Velcro piece. So this whole thing, if you grab this handle and just yank, can actually come right off in a pinch, and that allows you to just grab the medical supplies you need without having to undo the straps on the back. Okay, so next we have our mole bag, or this little tactical sleeve. Again, this one has this nice little pouch, a couple of zippered pockets with some storage on the inside, and then again, that little locking system on the back here with these snaps. Okay, and we have that all mounted just like the others, straight behind through the loops that you choose. Okay, finally we have our water bottle holder, and this one actually has some additional loops on the outside, so you can attach multiple objects to it. Again, here's that loop and button-up system on the back, as well as a drawstring up top to keep your water bottle tight and secure. Then we also have a little keychain that comes with this strap that goes through a single loop and allows you to just clip on things for easy use. And here's things hung up now on that base. We got our water bottle over here, again with the cinch strap. Get something nice and deep to slide into there. And then we have our keychain hooked over in this area. Nice little carabiner style system. So there you go, friends. That is the tactical car holder for our adventure van. Pretty cool little product. We're definitely going to be using this summer. Great way to pack our necessities in little pouches that we can grab and go with for our hikes and our mountain bikes and the different things that we go and do while we're adventuring. Now remember, you can actually purchase this yourself if you want off of Amazon using the links in our description box below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We'll see you again on the next one.